Welcome to Prepper Faceoff, where two renowned preppers compete to be crowned the ultimate survivalist. Today we have Sensible Prepper going head-to-head with Survivalknowhow. Who will come out on top? Let's find out. First up is knowledge and skills. Sensible Prepper, known for his practical and sensible approach to prepping, shares his insights on everything from food storage to self-defense. Survivalknowhow brings a wealth of knowledge from hands-on experience and detailed tutorials. Judging criteria include the breadth and depth of knowledge, practicality of skills demonstrated, and innovation in techniques. Sensible Prepper wins this round with his broader range of essential survival skills. Next, we dive into food and water supply. Sensible Prepper has a well-organized system for long-term food storage and water purification. Survivalknowhow emphasizes self-sufficiency with gardening, foraging, and effective water filtration methods. Judging criteria include the variety and sustainability of food sources, efficiency of water purification methods, and practicality of storage solutions. Survivalknowhow takes the lead with his innovative gardening techniques and self-sufficiency. In shelter and security, Sensible Prepper has built a fortified home with multiple layers of defense. Survivalknowhow focuses on versatility with portable shelters and innovative security measures. Judging criteria include the durability and security of shelter, versatility and adaptability of security measures, and practicality in various scenarios. Sensible Prepper stands out with his fortified home and comprehensive security measures. Medical preparedness is crucial. Sensible Prepper has an extensive first aid kit and knowledge of home remedies. Survivalknowhow excels in both traditional and advanced medical training. Judging criteria include the completeness of medical supplies, depth of medical knowledge, and ability to handle emergencies. Survivalknowhow's advanced medical training and comprehensive supplies are unmatched. Energy and power are vital for long-term survival. Sensible Prepper has a robust setup with solar panels and generators. Survivalknowhow advocates for renewable energy solutions and efficient power usage. Judging criteria include the reliability and sustainability of energy sources, efficiency of power usage, and ease of setup and maintenance. Sensible Prepper ensures reliable energy with his robust solar and generator setup. Effective communication can make or break a survival situation. Sensible Prepper has a range of communication tools from ham radios to signal mirrors. Survivalknowhow emphasizes staying connected with minimal resources. Judging criteria include the range and reliability of communication methods, innovation in resource-limited scenarios, and ease of use and practicality. Sensible Prepper offers unmatched reliability with his comprehensive communication tools. Adaptability and problem-solving are essential traits. Sensible Prepper prides himself on being prepared for a wide range of scenarios. Survivalknowhow thrives in unpredictable environments, showcasing quick thinking and resourcefulness. Judging criteria include the ability to adapt to changing situations, creativity in problem-solving, and practical application of skills. Survivalknowhow excels with his quick thinking and resourcefulness in unpredictable environments. Physical fitness can be a lifesaver. Sensible Prepper maintains a rigorous fitness routine to stay ready for anything. Survivalknowhow incorporates fitness into daily routines, focusing on practical strength and stamina. Judging criteria include the overall fitness level, practicality of fitness routines, and endurance and strength. Sensible Prepper's rigorous fitness routine ensures preparedness for any challenge. Mental resilience is crucial in high-stress situations. Sensible Prepper has strategies to stay calm and focused. Survivalknowhow emphasizes mental toughness through continuous learning and practice. Judging criteria include techniques for maintaining mental health, practicality of stress management strategies, and ability to stay focused under pressure. Survivalknowhow's emphasis on continuous learning and mental toughness gives him the edge. Community and networking can provide vital support. Sensible Prepper actively engages with the prepping community for shared knowledge and resources. Survivalknowhow values building strong networks for mutual aid and information sharing. Judging criteria include the strength and reach of networks, community involvement, and mutual aid strategies. Survivalknowhow's strong community networks and mutual aid strategies stand out. After a fierce competition, it's time to declare the winner. Both Sensible Prepper and Survivalknowhow have shown exceptional skills and knowledge, making this a tough decision. However, based on the overall performance, the title of Ultimate Prepper goes to Survivalknowhow. Survivalknowhow's innovative techniques, adaptability, and strong community networking have edged out the competition. Congratulations to Survivalknowhow. Let us know in the comments if you agree with the decision, and stay tuned for the next exciting episode of Prepper Faceoff. If you found this video entertaining, smash that bell icon for more great videos, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next Prepper Faceoff episode.